All right, first thing you're going to do is check your email. You're going to have an email from me for a class invite. Click on class invite. This is what it looks like. And you're going to click join. You are now in Google Classroom. After you've already joined, the way you find it is you come over to these boxes, scroll down till you see this chalkboard, click on it. This will give you all your Google Classrooms, and then you're just going to click on the one you want, which is Spring Fit for Life. Okay. This is the stream. I'm not really sure what it's used for other than like if I wanted to post something like a discussion here, I would type it here and you would see it. But I don't really do that often. Otherwise, it's just a bunch of like stuff, right? Don't look at that. Go over here and click classwork. Now you get a nice organized streamline of your assignments. Right in the beginning, you click on this. This is the Zoom link. Click on that link. You join our Zoom meeting. Right here, you see we have week 1. These were all of the first week assignments. They're dated Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is week 2. This is Monday, today, week 2. Okay. Underneath that, we have resources. These are some fitness challenges we've set up. Desmond's doing a squat challenge and a push-up challenge. I've got a plank challenge. I'm working on the video. Here you have different workout videos you could use. So if you're home, you click on this table right here. You have a bunch of different links to different video workouts. Click on one. Okay. These are YouTube videos. Click on any one of them and do your workout. 20 to 30 minutes a day. Here's a website. It's called Darby Fitness. Click on workouts. And it's got a whole bunch of different workouts you can choose from. There's different levels, 1, 2, and 3, beginner to advanced. Okay, so that's another tool you can use. Here you got some workout apps. MapMyFitness is a fitness tracker. So if you go for a walk and you download this app, it can record your walk. So it'll record the time, it'll record the distance. Sworkit is a workout app, and underneath, which you can't see on my screen, is a 7-minute workout. That's another good app you can use. Assignments, they're pretty easy. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you will have probably a video and some questions to answer based on the video. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day of the week, you will be exercising 20 to 30 minutes a day and then filling out an exercise log. It's really simple. Okay, so for instance, let's go. These are all the assignments from last week. You click on either one of them and you get it. Let's click on today's. We had 2 videos. So you're going to watch these 2 videos. Click on the video and you can watch it. And then you're going to fill out, click on view assignment right here, down here, click on view. Oh, that is not the one I wanted. Let's change this. Sorry, that was teacher view. Spring Fit for Life, where I'm going to go to classwork. I'm going to go to today's assignment. And here we do 2 videos, daily exercise log, the Google Doc where you're going to write your answers, right? So this is just a brief overview of what you're going to do. 1, watch both the videos. 2, fill out the fit worksheet. 3, exercise 20 to 30 minutes. 4, fill out the daily exercise log and click turn it in. Click on view assignment right here. This is your Google Doc right over here. Okay, right in this corner right here. That's the doc you're going to fill out when you want to do work. Right, boom, right here. Just click on it and start typing in your answer. Your answers are coming from the videos. When you're done, click turn it in right here. The other thing you're going to do is daily exercise log. Date, it's already here for you, 3:30. Click on it. Boom. Time, what time did you start? Put in the time. I started at 7 this morning. I finished at 9:15. Whoops, 9, click over here, 15 a.m. What part did you work on? I worked on cardio. I went for a bike ride. What exactly did I do? Rode my bike down to the beach. Boom. How hard was it? I'm going to go with a 6. It was easy down. It was harder coming back home because of the wind. My goal today was to ride my bike. I accomplished it. Tomorrow is to strength train. Sorry. And walk. And I click submit, which is the purple button down here. Boom. And that's it. Fill out the exercise log every day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you have an added extra assignment, which you'll find over here. And that's it. Peace out.